Alright, everybody, today's homework is about Garret Morgan. Alright, so who's Garret Morgan? Let's find out, alright? There's a picture of Garret Morgan, and let's see who he is. Okay, maybe you don't know who he is, but you might know what he might have made. Let's find out. Garret Morgan was a very successful African-American inventor. Inventors are often known for one important thing they create, but Garret invented many things. One of Garret's most important inventions was a safety hood. People could wear it to breathe safely when there was smoke, gas, or other unsafe things in the air. Garret once used his invention to save people. Workers were digging a tunnel under a lake where there was an explosion. The workers became trapped. They were stuck in a place with dangerous gases and lots of dust. Garret and his brother put on safety hoods and went into the tunnel to help. They helped save 2 lives. Okay. Another important thing Garret invented was a traffic signal. Today there are traffic signals in many places where 2 streets cross each other. This helps people know when it's safe to cross the street. But these did not exist in Garret's time. After seeing an accident, in an intersection, Garret decided to change that. He made a traffic signal with a warning light. The light showed drivers when they would need to stop. Oops, sorry, we gotta put this down a little bit. Both these important inventions have saved many lives over the years. So Garret Morgan was more than an inventor, he was a hero. So you do know about him because you've been through lots of streets in your car with your family, and this is the guy who invented the traffic light, right? Smart guy. Plus that other breathing apparatus, which I didn't know he did that one either. I knew the traffic light. Did you know? Let's find the answers for questions. Remember, if you don't know the answer, you're going to go back to the text, and find the answer. Question number 1. Who was Garret Morgan? Now I want you to read all the choices first. An Afro-American writer, an Afro-American inventor, an Afro-American doctor. If you're not sure, go back to the questions and find your evidence. Okay. Number 2. What does the text describe? What is the article we just read? What does it describe? Garret Morgan's life, how Garret Morgan invented the safety hood, inventions that Garret Morgan made. So think about it. Was it about his life? Was it about just the safety hood? Or was it about the inventions that Garret Morgan made? Okay. If you're not sure, go back and listen to the story again. Number 3. Read the following sentence. Here's a big sentence from the story. One of Garret Morgan's important inventions was called a safety hood. People could wear it to breathe safely when there was smoke, gas, or other unsafe things in the air. Another important thing Garret invented was a traffic signal. Today there are traffic signals in many places where 2 streets cross each other. These help people know when it's safe to cross the street. Based on this information, what can you conclude or figure out about Garret Morgan's inventions? Okay, so about reading about this, what do you think about his inventions? Are they A, his inventions help save lives? B, his inventions are cheap to make? C, his inventions are no longer used? Well, I think that might be pretty easy, but if you're not sure, go back and read the story again. Number 4. What might the text describe Garret Morgan as a hero? Okay, what might the text describe Garret Morgan as a hero? A, he loved testing different ideas to see which one worked the best. Is it B, he created inventions that saved many lives over the years? Or C, he created many different types of inventions? So which one of these sentences is going to describe that he's a hero? Okay, let's do number 5. What is the main idea of the text, this whole story that we just read? Is it A, Garret Morgan was an inventor who created important inventions that have saved lives? Is it B, traffic signals are still used today because they help people know when it's safe to cross the street? Or is it C, Garret Morgan used one of his inventions to help rescue workers who had been trapped while digging a tunnel? Okay, so these are all good choices, but you have to think, what's the main idea of the whole story about? If you're not sure, listen to what I just read to you, or go back and listen to the whole story and decide What's the best one, all right? Hey, that's it, all right? Good luck, guys. You should shoot for 100%. Yeah, you should get all these right. Yeah, all of them right, right? Good luck, bye.